Hey everyone, I'm Erica. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub, where we dive into the best home gadgets to make your life easier. Today, I'm super excited to talk about the Aarke Coffee Maker, a sleek and stylish machine that's turning heads for all the right reasons. If you're a coffee lover like me, stick around to see if this is the brewer for you. Let's start with the features. The Aarke Coffee Maker is a premium drip coffee machine designed to blend style and function. It's got a minimalist stainless steel body that looks stunning on any countertop. It brews up to 10 cups at a time, perfect for households or small offices. The machine uses a precision water flow system for even coffee extraction, which means every cup tastes rich and consistent. You also get a reusable stainless steel filter, so no more paper filters piling up in your trash. Plus, it has a programmable timer so you can wake up to freshly brewed coffee. And let's not forget the 40-ounce water tank, which is removable for easy refilling. Now let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the design is a total win. It's compact, modern, and feels like a high-end appliance. The coffee quality is fantastic, bold, aromatic, and just the way you want it. The reusable filter is eco-friendly and saves you money over time. I also love the programmable timer. It's a game changer for busy mornings. On the con side, it's a bit pricey compared to basic drip machines, so it's not the best pick if you're on a tight budget. Also, the water tank, while removable, can be a little tricky to snap back into place until you get the hang of it. Lastly, it's designed for ground coffee, so if you prefer pods or espresso, this might not be your vibe. So who's this coffee maker for? I'd recommend the Aarke Coffee Maker if you value style, sustainability, and great-tasting drip coffee. It's perfect for anyone who wants their kitchen to look as good as their coffee tastes. If you're someone who brews multiple cups a day or loves hosting brunches, the 10-cup capacity and programmable features make it a no-brainer. However, if you're looking for a budget option or need a machine for espresso, you might want to explore other models. Ready to level up your coffee game? Check out the Aarke Coffee Maker using the link in the description below. You'll find the best pricing and special promotional offers through Rick's Review Hub. Clicking our affiliate link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, so we can keep bringing you honest reviews like this one. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow coffee lovers, and hit that subscribe button for more reviews on the latest home gadgets. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.